I found myself in the middle of an extraordinary cultural showcase, one unlike anything I've ever witnessed before. The Ijaw people, warriors of the Niger Delta, had arrived in the capital to tell their story, not with words, but with tradition. And I was about to spend 4 hours with the legendary warriors of the Niger Delta. The day started here at Unity House, Garki. From the moment I arrived, I could feel the energy in the air, drummers beating rhythm that echoed throughout the streets. Shortly after that, we left Unity House and headed to Eagle Square. In case you're wondering, why is this guy putting on this mask? Well, this is how I look whenever I'm flying my drone. Just trying to shield my eyes from the sun. So yeah, heading to Eagle Square right now. With the Nigerian police and security operatives flanking us, we took to the streets of Abuja in a grand display. But the real spectacle was waiting for me at Jabi Lake. Here I met with the warriors of the Niger Delta, not just men of history, but living legends. In the heart of this event was the Bobrigada, a cultural boat ride symbolizing the strength, unity, and maritime dominance of the Ijaw people.
Bobrigada is like it's a war boat where chiefs, communities, if they want to go for a very strong war in Ijaw ethnic group, they brought these particular boats. All communities will involve in that particular boat. Then they will go for the war, and you can see it's something like a traditional gun. That is the weapon they use to fight.
He spoke about the significance of the ride, not just as a performance, but as a tradition passed down for generations, a symbol of their connection to the waters, their livelihood, and their identity. I watched as craftsmen worked meticulously, shaping, painting, and perfecting these boats. But while the men were preparing for the ride, something equally mesmerizing was happening at the other side of the lake. The women of the Ijaw tribe, elegant, powerful, and full of life, stood together in a colorful display, their voices rising in unison as they sang traditional songs, waiting for men to embark on the boat ride. And then it was time, the moment everyone had been waiting for. With chants, drums, and an electrifying atmosphere, the Bobrigada began. Ijaw people are more than just a tribe. They are warriors, storytellers, and custodians of legacy that refuse to be forgotten. This is the beauty of Nigeria, untold stories waiting to be told. So, we've come to the end of this video. Do well to like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more amazing stories across Nigeria, Africa, and the world. Martins Acha was here.